What is up, y'all? It's your favorite producer, Ron got the recipe, and today gonna be showing you one of the best plugins you can use to master your music. Maybe you're a beginner or you're intermediate. Maybe you don't want to pay someone a bunch of money to mix and master your music. This is the video for you. Let's get it. All right, y'all. I got a track here produced by yours truly. Got some samples from LANDR. Got some beats I play myself. Let's get into it. All right, so this beat's pretty fire. It's already kind of pre-mixed. I want to get a good master in. So one of the mistakes that we often make when it comes to mixing our own music is over mixing. Mix 1, mix 2, mix 3, mix 11. So I always recommend everyone to mix into the master plugin. So that's what we're gonna do. We got a pre-mix going right now. We're gonna slap our mastering plugin on top and get it going. All right, so the plugin that I'm going with today is none other than LANDR Mastering Pro. It is the easiest plugin to use. All you have to do is drop it on your master and let it do the work. So off the rip, it's gonna ask me to play from the loudest part of my song, which is the chorus. Let's give it a shot. So right off the bat, I can tell that I'm already in the red, which means my track is too loud. So I need to go back into my mix and turn some things down. Before I do that, let's talk about how to use this plugin. So we got an equalizer where we control the lows, the mids, and the highs of the entire mix. We've got a stereo field for focus and widening. We've got warm, balanced, and open. These are the three style choices you get to master your mix. So warm gives you that thick, R&B, nice, smooth, gritty mix, right? Master. Balance is right in the middle where it's not too warm, it's not too shiny, it's got a good balance. And then you got open where it's nice and modern and shiny, got a nice presence to it. And you've got presence, a de-esser, and you've got some dynamics at the bottom, saturation knob, and you can control your loudness here. For right now, we're working the balance. And we'll turn some things down in the mix really quick. Then we'll come back and actually tweak the master plugin. All right, let's hear it. All right, so I'm listening for a few things. Those vocals are really loud. I need to turn those down. This Rhodes piano that I have here, super loud, I gotta turn that down. And I think the bass is a little bit too loud too. So once we balance these things, we'll go back into the mastering plugin and master. Let's get it. So first thing I'm gonna do is turn down this bass. Let's turn the vocals down a bit. I've got them on a bus here. Oh, I'm gonna turn these drums down as well. This is a drum loop from one of my drum loop packs. I'm gonna turn it down in the plugin because it might be a little bit too loud. All right, cool. I'm gonna turn down this piano a bit. But I also want a good mix between the sample and what I played. So the sample's down here. This is also a LANDR sample. Fire, by the way. High quality stuff here, y'all. right, so I like what we got so far, and all I did here was just turn some things down, okay? So we've got our master on the master track, and now we can actually start mastering. So the first thing I do when I come in here is that if I'm in balance, I want to start with the highs, get a little more crisp on the top end. I'm cool with that, and as you can see, we're no longer clipping. So we went back into the mix, we turned some things down, now we can start mastering. Second thing I do is come around here and I kind of mess around with a little bit with the presence. Be careful with this knob because too much presence can really mess the mix up. Boom. Gonna hit it with a little compression and saturation. Sounds good to me. What I like about this plugin is that it tells you everything right when you hover over it. So if you don't know what something's doing, just hover over the plugin and it tells you how to do it. You know what I mean? So stereo fill, increase the width to enhance the overall sense of space, or increase the focus of the central elements like kick, snare, and vocals to create more impact. I like widening. I feel like my drum's already good. It's a drum loop. It's not gonna get any more focus, so I'm good with just widening this out. All right, we're gonna hit it with a little bit of this DS just to control some of the sibilances. All right, and just like that, we pretty much got a master. All right, so here's balanced. Let's go to open. Let's hear the difference between balanced and open. Is there a real big difference? Let's see. Yeah, I'm definitely getting more of that shine compared to the balance. I'm barely hitting the high equalizer on the open, and I'm pushing it here on the balance. Let's do the warm, see how that sounds. All right, let's hear warm versus balanced. So I think on the low end side, I'm not really getting too much of a difference, even visually, like. Compressor's kind of bringing all that low end down, so I'm not really hearing too much of a difference, but I do hear a difference in the vocal. the vocal is a little bit more warmer, obviously on the warm preset versus the balanced. All right, now let's hear the difference with the mastering plugin bypassed, completely off, versus when it's on. So let's hear it mixed versus the master. Here's the mixed. And let's hear it the master. All right, man, this is really easy to use. Your mix doesn't have to be perfect. Of course, you want to EQ and compress and pan, and you know, you want to do your basic fundamentals of mixing. But if you get a good pre-mix in here, you know what I'm saying? Throw the master on, plop, plop, and then after that, you go back, make some tweaks, go back into your master and really level it up. Guaranteed greatness. The LANDR Mastering Pro plugin is included with the LANDR Studio Pro subscription. It is the fastest way, as you can see, to get your music mastered. And you get distribution included in it as well. Not only can you use the plugin, but for my songwriters and for my artists out there, you get unlimited AI mastering and you get distribution straight to streaming platforms. For my beat makers and producers, you get a bunch of effects, a bunch of plugins. It's all high quality, and it's definitely a no-brainer. I definitely recommend checking it out. And your boy can save you 20% by just clicking the link in the description. I'll see you on the next one. If you like content like this, hit me with a like, leave a comment, and if you really like it, subscribe to the channel. Peace. Hey, what's up, y'all? Thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you like what you saw, don't forget to leave a comment, a like, share this video with a friend, and if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. Peace.